I'm Anthony De Silva. This is regarding a lot of noise that is being made about the dump, the garbage issue, the Sonsdo issue. Something has come to my mind. If it is good, I think it can be accepted. Of course, there could be some drawbacks. There could be some NGOs with whom we could sit down and find one midway solution about it, along with this idea which I'm looking at. The dump, the Sonsdo, why can't we bury this dump in the big pits that has been created due to mining? Each pit is more than 10 times bigger than the dump that has been created and put at Sonsdo. SLA, more than 10 Sonsdos can be dumped in one pit, and there are hundreds of pits which has been created because of mining in the mining belts, mining areas. And this is, I'm not saying is the ultimate solution, but this could be a solution for the coming 200-300 years. And nothing is going to be wrong. In fact, the mining companies are being told to refill those pits after mining has been done, and those pits has not been refilled. Can we refill this with this waste, with this Sonsdo type of garbage, and can be shut there? Of course, we could look at the long-term effects of maybe 500 to 1,000 years ahead. But I'm looking, can we have a temporary right now solution for 200-300 years instead of for 15-20 years the dump is just lying there as Sonsdo? These are immediate problems. So if these pits which are there created because of mining, can this be filled with the garbages all over Goa? We will have at least a solution for the coming 200 years. I'm not saying we could do it tomorrow, but we could have solution within a month for the issues which are just lying pending for 20 years at a stretch. Maybe we could have a meeting along with the NGOs and the bureaucrats and the ministers, come together and look at a solution of this type at least for the coming 200-300 years ahead. By the time we could have a better permanent solution in the future. Dev Barakaru. Thank you very much. Maybe we can look into this matter.